Hello mobile geeks. In this quick tutorial, I will show you, step-by-step guide, how to install this great app. This application works on iOS and Android devices. As you can see, I already have this application and everything works. Let's get started. Now jump to mobile screen record for better video quality. In the first step, you need to open a browser and go to getapps.pro. As you can see, in this page you can find a lot of mobile games and apps. All you have to do here is search the application you need. You can use search bar. Then tap this apps to go to a page like this. All you have to do here is tap install now button. After that, installation process will start. The final step is simple verification. Just complete 2 tasks from this list, and be sure to read and follow the instructions below the task. Let's speed up video for the verification process. And that's all you need to do. If you followed the instructions, the app will appear on your home screen. Thanks for watching everyone. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.